All right. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. This is the video that you need to see. We're going to be going over tons of recent news that you need to know about, just everything happening in cryptocurrency. The amount of money flowing into this space is absurd. Now, there's a little bit of a dip today. I'm curious. My question to you is, which coins are you buying? Are you buying the Bitcoin dip? Are you buying the Ethereum dip? Is there another cryptocurrency that we should be looking at? Let us know in the comments below. Now, before we get to the Elon news, before we get to the Binance news, there is a coin out of all the 8,000 coins that is actually doing quite well today, and that is Cardano. So let's bring up that first. If you are a Cardano holder, let me know your plan, because Cardano hits its highest value of all time. I read about this in Yahoo Finance. Of course, the Cardano ecosystem is growing. This is the current sampling of projects in the Cardano ecosystem. Floodgates will open once smart contracts on mainnet are fully operational. And what surprised me the most over the past couple days is just how big Cardano is trending all over the world, whether it's in California, the United States, or in this case, the Netherlands. Now, a lot of people on this channel have been holding Cardano since 2 cents, 3 cents, 10 cents, 60 cents. As you know, the market goes in ebbs and flows. So I'm curious, Cardano holders, what is your plan? Are you hodling to the moon? Are you taking profits? Have to let us know. Let's jump to some other news. The biggest story actually happened late yesterday. Elon Musk, in a single tweet, pissed off the entire Bitcoin community, tweeting out, Tesla has stopped accepting Bitcoin due to environmental impact. The CEO of the electric car company cited the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining transactions. So this was that single tweet. We were one of the first to comment on this and to retweet this and show this to everybody. To be clear, what he says in this press release is they are 100% hodling the Bitcoin that they bought, the billions of Bitcoin. The only change in their plan is that they're no longer accepting it due to Bitcoin's energy usage with transactions. The reason that this pissed a lot of people off is because this is something that has been debunked time and time again. And Elon Musk even knows this. 3 weeks apart. So this was the tweet that happened yesterday. 3 weeks prior to this, Jack Dorsey tweets out that Bitcoin incentivizes renewable energy. This is the research. And Elon Musk goes, true. In fact, Elon Musk, are we to believe that he didn't understand what he invested over $1 billion in 50 days ago, and only after he made the investment he started to understand it? No, of course not. He knows what's going on. He knows that gaming uses more energy than Bitcoin. He knows that Christmas lights use more energy than Bitcoin. He understands that most mining in China uses hydroelectric power. He understands that the internet uses 10% of the world's energy, and nobody is refusing to use the internet. So Elon, the only bad energy I see are the vibes coming from you towards the Bitcoin community. And I'd like to thank our sponsor, actually, for calling out a troll when they see a troll. Trolls come in all shapes and sizes. So before we continue and kind of just talk about some of this coordinated FUD that's going on with Bitcoin lately and get to some other news, let's take 60 seconds. If you haven't checked out blockfi.com/altcoin daily yet, you need to check it out. If you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, Binance Coin, Chainlink, just sitting around, why not take a portion and start having your crypto earn interest? Your stablecoins can get up to 10% interest for a limited time. Either way, put your crypto to work. Usually, it's 8.6 APY. With a BlockFi interest account, get a 250 crypto bonus with a deposit of 25 or more in crypto. Terms and restrictions apply. This is the exact payout structure. BlockFi is trying to gain market share as fast as they can, and to do that, they're trying to incentivize you to work with them over the competition. BlockFi.com/altcoin Daily. Now, let's talk about some of this coordinated FUD that we've been seeing with Bitcoin lately. In my opinion, they're doing this so they can buy Bitcoin as cheap as possible. So just in the last 24 hours, we've seen Elon tweeting, denouncing Bitcoin energy use. We've seen JP Morgan questioning Bitcoin's proof of work, saying, is it bad? We've seen Binance under investigation by the IRS and Justice Department. There are some big players that have some limit orders that they want filled. Question is, are they filling those limit orders? The answer is yes. 10,000 Bitcoins, not $10,000 worth of Bitcoins, but over 10,000 Bitcoins just left Coinbase in 10 minutes. I'm sure this is some retail, but this is definitely big players, big institutions. And actually, regarding this FUD in general, is just so important to kind of rise above it and understand what's truly going on. So Bloomberg, this was the headline, breaking: Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, is under investigation by the Justice Department and IRS. Obviously, this is something that could scare the market. Well, what really happened? Well, according to the CEO, the title of this news is bad, obviously. The article itself, if you actually read it, is not so bad. But who actually reads? The article describes how Binance collaborated with law enforcement to fight bad players, but somehow they made it out to look like a bad thing. Binance collaborating with the law, they made it out to look like a bad thing. Anyways, back to work. Just trying to show you that FUD like this, you have to dig deeper. Here's the thing, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But in my opinion, I've been following the market every day for years now. And in my opinion, especially with Bitcoin and plenty of other coins, we are nowhere near the top. Yes, I think we're more than halfway through this bull market, but I still think we have plenty of room on the other half to go. Now, if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, I think you're going to be surprised when some of your favorite coins drop by 20, 30, 40%, which is common with Bitcoin in bull markets. So you can only imagine how common that is with altcoins in bull markets. And plenty of people are going to get shaken out. But my point is, I think there is still plenty of reason to be bullish. Let's talk about some other news. Tether reveals reserve breakdown for the first time since 2014. Tether FUD. What does this mean? Well, as of March 31st, 2021, almost 76% of Tether's reserves were held in cash or cash equivalents. The remaining quarter was held in secured loans, bonds, and other investments, including Bitcoin. So, what this means is Tether is not backed one-to-one, $1 to one Tether coin. Instead, what they're doing is just basically diversifying, investing in things like treasury bills, Bitcoin, reverse repo notes. I'm not saying it's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm just saying this is the state of Tether now, and you should know. Samsung, this is bullish. Samsung adds support for crypto hardware wallets to Galaxy smartphones. Samsung, huge company. What does this mean? Korea tech giant Samsung has added support for third-party cryptocurrency hardware wallets, including Ledger, Nano S, Nano X, to its range of Galaxy smartphones. Users of Samsung Galaxy can now link their device to their Ledger or hardware wallet to manage and trade crypto via Samsung blockchain wallet app. Bitcoin and crypto is the future. Surely this is what we would be seeing. Companies needing to integrate, to stay in tune and stay cutting edge. And this is exactly what we're seeing. Investment bank Cowen jumps into crypto custody for institutions. It's the 103-year-old investment bank's first foray into digital assets. Again, I say to you, the legacy system has to bend the knee and accommodate cryptocurrency if they want to stay relevant, and a 103-year-old investment bank is doing just that. Tons of money is flowing into this space for this to be the top, guys. Realize this. This is one example of 100 stories we've been seeing for months and months. Huobi Group launches a $100 million VC fund for DeFi, NFT projects. Cryptocurrency exchange Huobi Global's parent company wants to concentrate its blockchain investments under the single banner of Huobi Ventures. So money is flowing into this space. Polkadot-centric derivatives exchange raises $6.4 million in seed funding. D-Trade is planning to build the first derivative exchange on Polkadot following a highly successful private investment round. Finally, just to put a cap in today's news, Facebook's crypto ambitions stumble forward with plans for US stable coin. Now, they don't have exact details, at least not through the public, but I guess they're still going through with this stablecoin idea. This is bullish for Bitcoin in general, so I wanted to leave you with that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We drop a video every day. Follow us on Twitter, follow us on YouTube. See you tomorrow.